Hello students, in this video I'm back with the explanation of the first poem of your textbook in English class 12th, Flamingo, My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. This is a very emotional poem in which the poetess Kamla Das shares her fear of losing her mother due to her declining health and old age. This poem gives a clear message that aging is a natural process. A person becomes old and eventually dies when the due time comes. And yet the fear of separation from our loved ones haunts us. Almost all of us go through the similar experience as the poetess Kamla Das went through. Fear of losing our loved ones. Fear of losing our parents when they grow old. One more very important thing. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe right now. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest videos, and also don't forget to like the video in the end. You can find the links for all my videos in the description box below. Don't forget to go through that. Explanation of all the chapters and poems and writing section part, important literary devices and so on. Almost everything related to your syllabus you can find in the description box. In this poem, poetess realizes that her mother needs her to be with her desperately since she is growing old and her age is 66. But she is helpless and she has to look at her other duties and responsibilities also. She felt very strongly that her mother needed her so badly, but she cannot afford to be with her mother physically and she has to leave her alone. She has to leave her mother does not mean that she is not a responsible daughter. She is a very responsible daughter and therefore she had come to visit her mother. She is too much attached to her mother emotionally. She has to leave her mother alone because she is supposed to fulfill other responsibilities as well. She is experiencing the similar childhood fear that she used to feel when she was a child. The fear of losing her mother. But she does not want her mother to be more sad and therefore she hides her emotions from her mother. She knows that if she expresses her emotions in front of the mother would be extremely disappointed and it would be impossible for the mother to stay healthy till the daughter comes back to her again. So at the airport security check, the poetess Kamla Das simply smiles, smiles and smiles. And she said, "See you soon, Amma." Now let's first of all throw some light on the poetess Kamla Das. Kamla Das was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. Meaning of versatility: ability to adapt or be adapted to many different functions or activities. Kamla Das had published many novels and short stories in English and in Malayalam under the name Madhavikutty. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust, a collection of short stories, Padmavati the Harlot and other stories, in addition to 5 books of poetry. Kamla Das is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationships in a lyrical idiom. And My Mother at 66 is an example. Idioms meaning a group of words established by usage as having a meaning not deducible from those of the individual words. Meaning of subtle or subtleties, so delicate or precise as to be difficult to analyze or describe. And now let us get into the poem. The poetess Kamla Das had come to her mother's house to spend some time with her. The mother of Kamla Das is an old woman, and according to this poem, her age is 66 years. And now the time has come when Kamla Das has to go back to her own house, leaving her old mother alone. They are on their way to the airport at Cochin by car. Kamla Das says, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. These lines show that after spending some time with her mother, now Kamla Das has to go back to her own house, and they are sitting in a car and they are going to Cochin airport. A Friday morning. Her old mother was sitting beside her. Kamla Das's old mother was sitting beside her. She was 66 years old. Her mother was dozing with the open mouth. Her face was looking like the face of a corpse or a dead body. Her face was looking like that because she was old and also she was sad. She was sad because her daughter was going, leaving her alone. The poetess realized that not only her mother was looking like an old person, but she was actually an old person. This thought disturbed her so much that it made her realize the seriousness of her mother's old age. Pain of separation became unbearable for the poetess. The thought of losing her mother disturbed her too much, and in order to drive away these worrying thoughts, she starts looking out of the window of the car to the trees which appeared to be sprinting or running fast. And also, she saw young children rushing out of their homes to play outside. The trees racing past, the speeding car are the reminders of the time which is passing. The happy children represent youth, energy, and life. The images that the poet sees outside the car are in clear contrast to the gloomy atmosphere in the car. On reaching the airport security check, Kamla Das once again looked at her mother's face, and this time she saw her mother's face. Mother's face was wan and pale. Meaning of wan is colorless. The mother has lost her charm. She has become pale like the late winter's moon. At this time, the poetess experiences the familiar ache, her childhood fear, the fear of losing her mother. She was extremely sad but couldn't show her emotions to her mother because she knew if she showed her emotions to the mother, then it would not be possible for her to make her mother hopeful and happy again. Kamla Das said, "See you soon, Amma." Though the poetess said these words, but she herself was not sure whether she would be able to meet her mother again or not. Though she was extremely sad, but still all she did was smile, smile, and smile. Why did she do so? She did so to hide her fear and pain of separation from her mother. She did so to make her mother hopeful that they will meet again soon. Such a wonderful poem, a beautiful poem. And I hope that you have enjoyed this poem. And to have a clear understanding of this poem, kindly watch this video at least twice. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching.